Good morning students, class 5. I am Vijay Kumar Jha. Today I am going to teach you English literature lesson 2. Name of the lesson is Birbal's Khichdi and this is its part 3rd. Now today I want to draw your attention towards words meaning. Just care here to enhance your imaginative power. Here is a clue given in the first page of lesson 2, and to warm up it is instructed for you. Read the clue and solve the crossword. Then join the letters vertically in the boxes with numbers to form a word. Just care here, in your first clue there are 4 blocks, and in the third box S has been written, and hints has been given for you. The opposite of foolish means you have to know the meaning of foolish also. Who has no sense, who is not wise, you can say the person is foolish. And if the person has no brilliancy, no intelligence, then what will be called? Foolish. So opposite of foolish is wise, and you know the spelling of wise is W-I-S-E, means opposite of foolish is wise. Hint has been given S in the box for you. If you write here W-I-S has been given it already, E, then the word will be wise, and wise is the opposite of word foolish. Just now take care. Second word, a word that means the same as to have an idea of what something is like, means you have to write in second word such word you have to write that gives the meaning to have an idea of what something is like. Means M has been given, G has been given, E has been given, and just you use several times this word in your life. Imagine. What? Imagine. Just write down here. M has been given already. A, imagine. G has been given already. For your help, write down here I, and then write down here N. Now I-M-A-G-I-N-E, imagine. Imagine means to have an idea of what something is like. Next word in your box is one more than 999. To make your brain sharp at the time to imagine something, such questions has been given for you. So I hope you yourself have tried to get its answer already. This time 999. One more than means if you add 1 in 999, then it will be 1000. So for that O, S and D has been given already. That is the letters of the word thousand. That's why write down here T, then H, O has been given. Now write down U, T, H, O, U, S has been given already. S, A, and write down N, D. has been given. Thousand means to attract your mind to imagine something. Such questions has been given. So if you find such clues, you must be interested with such words. Now the last word of this clue is the opposite of blunt. Blunt means that is unable to cut anything quickly. That is called blunt. Means the part of instrument that is not able to cut anything quickly is called blunt. And you have to write its opposite. Means just imagine a blade, how much sharp it is. Means it is sharp because it cuts immediately to anything. That's why the opposite word of blunt is sharp. And sharp word has letters R and H also. So write down here S first, SH. Now A, R has been given and P here. Means opposite of blunt is sharp. So in this way, such clues should be used by you to enhance your word meaning, and in this way you got 8 words. Means this is the opposite of foolish. This is the meaning of to have an idea. This is one more than 999, and this is the opposite of what? Blunt. In this way you have written 4 words, but you got idea about 8 words, what is opposite and what gives the same meaning. Now in this way you should enhance your word skill also. Now your time is going to be over. Something more in next slide. Thank you.